Hi guys, Voinski here, and today we are talking about lunches, okay? So we've had this conversation before about breakfast. We're gonna talk about lunches today, and next time we will talk about dinner ideas. So if you have to bring lunch to work with you, what are you eating? If you're eating at home, what are you eating for lunch? We're just gonna go through some quick ideas, get some other ideas to kind of like get rolling through our brains and see how we can make this ketogenic lifestyle work for us. Okay, so the first one are cold cut wraps. When I say cold cuts, I mean deli meat. I'm from New Jersey, I say cold cuts, and that means I'm not talking about the lean meat. The lean meat is not gonna help you in your fat content. But if you use things like salami, prosciutto, ham, right? Put some cheese on there. If you want to put some mustard, fatty mayo, watch your sugar in your mayo. But you go ahead, roll those up. Even my kids love those. I send those with my kids sometimes for school and they love it. My husband will take that to work with him. Do some cold cut wraps. Avocados and eggs are your best friends. So let's make some avocado egg salad, right? Hard boil your eggs, mash them up with avocado. You can put some salt and pepper, season however you want. My husband puts it in like a little Tupperware and takes that to work and just eats it with a spoon, and he super loves it. It's very, very good. And if you put lemon or lime in it, it'll keep your avocado from turning brown, which is really great. You can also use what you made with the avocado egg salad, or you can make a chicken salad. I'll use pulled chicken and I'll mix that with some avocado. And you can put them on little like romaine lettuce boats or on top of a salad, and you have a chicken salad and it's delicious, right? Okay, so maybe you're at your office and everyone's pressuring you to order food for lunch. You can get a cheeseburger, just don't get the bun, or if it comes with the bun, just get rid of the bun and don't eat it, right? Don't get the fries, get a side salad. You can still put bacon, cheese, mushrooms on there. Some sauteed onions will be okay, it won't hurt you, right? So go ahead and order out for lunch with your office friends if you have to. Salads are also your best friend. You can have an antipasto salad. You can put cold cuts on top of that. You can have Cobb salad. Just watch a lot of fruits, because that's what you're gonna wanna watch in your salad. So olive oil is great, some great fatty dressings, blue cheese are awesome for you too. When I'm at home, I like to make what I call an open-faced taco. So if I've got ground beef or shredded chicken, I'll put that on a plate. I will go ahead and melt cheese on it, put jalapenos, olives, all of that, and I just eat it, sometimes with a side of guacamole. It's delicious. You can bring hard-boiled eggs, pepperoni, cheese, bring those types of things with you. You can kind of snack on those. Veggies that are great. You can bring broccoli with your favorite fatty dressing and go ahead and have that as a snack. Natural peanut butter with your celery. I get a big thing of spinach and artichoke dip from Costco, and you can have some cut up cucumbers, celery, dip in that. Some people just eat it straight up with a spoon. You can do that too. And also, so here's the best part. You can make guacamole, but you know how you're missing like the chip in the guacamole? Make bacon chips. Bacon chips are great. You cut up your bacon into small pieces, put it in the oven, cook it. You can even just bring them cold with you to work, and you've got bacon chips to dip in your guacamole. Yeah, that's amazing. These are just some simple things that you can bring into an office. My husband doesn't even work in an office. He works out of a truck and he's outside working all day, and these are types of things that he has to bring with him. He doesn't have a microwave. He can't heat stuff up. So these are some of the ideas. What are you guys eating for lunch? What are you bringing to work for your lunch? We'd love to know, so share it in the comments below. If this was helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe, because remember, when we hit 100 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. So hit the bell and you'll get notified when that contest starts, and everyone is eligible to participate, okay? So hop into that contest as soon as you see it. Have a great, great time trying out this ketogenic diet. And again, share your lunches below. I would love to hear what they are.